A very good morning, class 11th and 12th. In today's class, we are going to start off with the anion analysis, and the first test that you need to do is for the carbonate anion. So, the salt that is given to you should be white, and secondly, the requirements for today's test are dilute sulfuric acid and calcium oxide. Now, why am I showing you calcium oxide? Of course, your lab would have a freshly prepared lime water, but for your understanding that you should know, this calcium oxide is added into water and then this is filtered freshly so that you obtain a fresh lime water. So this is my fresh lime water which I will be using today, and so it is. Otherwise, you will be getting a freshly prepared lime water in your lab. The reason why we require it to be freshly prepared is because if it is not, then this will turn milky from the carbon dioxide present in the air. So it should always be fresh. So in case you do not get a test, there is a possibility that the lime water is already milky or it is not responding. Coming to the salt that we are using today is white, and if you have a close look, it is amorphous. So try to press it between your fingers and you can see it is a powder like salt. It is not a crystalline salt. So a salt which is chalk powder like is generally for carbonate. Fine. And I will have my student Cheyenne performing the experiment. Hello Cheyenne. Give a hi. Hi. Okay, now, so the first step for anion analysis is that you will take a test tube and add a pinch of the given salt, which you already know is a powder like salt. To this pinch, the first step is always to add dilute sulfuric acid, and this sulfuric acid is to be added to your salt. And please have an observation exactly what is happening when he adds dilute sulfuric acid. Can you see the brisk effervescence? That's it. So this is the confirmatory type of a test for carbonate, where you observe that there were brisk effervescence when you added dilute sulfuric acid to your salt. Now to confirm whether this gas coming out is carbonate or not, have a look at this apparatus. This apparatus is called as a U-tube. This is a tube which is U-tube, it is not the channel. So on the bigger arm, we will be adding the salt. Please add the salt, Cheyenne. To this bigger arm, Cheyenne would be adding the salt. Have a look. Show it to me. Yeah. So add it like this. Add a little more, Cheyenne. Add here. Show it here. So this is where you will add the salt, number one. To the side arm, you need to add the lime water. Now he will take the freshly prepared lime water, which of course you will be getting it in your lab, and he will be putting it to the side arm of the U-tube. This is the side arm. Add 2 to 3 drops. So you can see now in the side arm of the U-tube you have the lime water, and in the bigger arm you have the salt. Now what we have to do is Cheyenne will add the dilute sulfuric acid to the bigger arm so that carbon dioxide gas is produced. And then he would put a thumb onto it so that the carbon dioxide escapes from the side arm. Like can you see the gas? He has put a thumb on top, so all the gas that we have is escaping through the side arm. You cannot see the lime water turning milky, so for that purpose you might have to add a little more of acid so that the milkiness can be clearly observed. It's becoming slightly milky, but it is not very clear, so you may add a little more acid to your main arm. Go. He's adding a little more acid. There's a brisk effervescence. He'll put in thumb, and you can see the effervescence. The gas is passing through the lime water, and it should have turned milky. Let's see. So let's see if it turns milky a little. So you can see it is turning milky. Please do not continue to add a lot of carbon dioxide, because this milkiness would vanish if there is a large amount of carbon dioxide, and this will then form bicarbonate. Okay, so this is the milkiness and this is the test for carbonate. So you take your salt, add dilute sulfuric acid, pass the gas through lime water, and you will get a milkiness which will disappear after some time. So you just report the milkiness, and that's it. Hope you have understood the test for carbonate as done in the U-tube. With this we end this video. My next video would be on the test for sulfite. Thank you. Do well. Bless you loads. Stay safe.